What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco. I'm back with another banger, and today we're listening to AI Drake. AI Drake? I don't know, man. Today we're listening to AI Drake. Winter's Cold. Let's get it. What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco back in the building with another one. Yeah, man, from the title. Like I said in the title, guys. Yeah, today we're listening to AI Drake. Yeah, today we're listening to AI Drake's Winter's Cold. Apparently, yo, the AI computers are taking over everything right now. You know what I'm saying? They done taking over money. They done taking over chats, art, everything, bro. Now they in music. You know what I'm saying? Apparently, there's an AI out that sounds so close like Drake. You know what I'm saying? They call him AI Drake, and apparently he sound like just like Drake, and he got lyrics like and bars like Drake. You know what I'm saying? That's crazy. So we're gonna check it out today and see what I go and see if it's true. Yeah, man, people, if you like this video, definitely hit that like button. Yeah, definitely go ahead and subscribe and drop some comments. But we're gonna check it out. This is AI Drake Winter's Cold. That's crazy. Let's get it.
When it's cold out from yeah, I got enemies, okay, the winter's cold. Where I'm from, they try enemy, I swear the winter's cold. Where I'm from, they try to sentence me, okay, the winter's cold. Where I'm from, we had them 10 key, I swear that pussy.
That's crazy. This sound like a Drake flow, yo. I ain't gonna cap you. This sound like Drake, bro. Ain't no way.
Yo, honest, not that nigga dead to me. I got it on my own. I ain't had no one to fend for me. I never saw my soul. I will never let it get to me. In Cali with the rose, yeah, I'm riding with a felony. She's stripping on the pole. I won't let it get the best of me. I got it on my own. I ain't
never let it get the best of me. I got it on my own. Yo, bro, this sound like Drake though. You know what I'm saying? It sound like some 5 a.m. in Toronto. Yo. This sound like one of them things that Drake be sliding on, you know what I'm saying? Yo, this song.
Ain't had no one defending me. She said she play a role. Now she tryna steal the recipe. I had to hit the road, cause I didn't like her energy. I swear that bitch be popping mileage like a remedy. Spanish bitch, a hot tamale. She be blessing me. Shoot the house like paparazzi. They ain't catching me.
Ain't no way, dog. Ain't no way. This a AI, bro, just sliding on this like that, dog. You feel me? Damn, go on.
I'm riding in a fucking Mazda, pushing hella keys. I made it to the
and even doing that breath pause like Drake, bro. You know I'm like what?
Top flow. Now they tryna lock the door. About to get the top score. Now they tryna pull a cord. Fuck her till she got sore. Now she said she wants some more. Lift it to the bar for sure. Wake up and say bonjour. About to go to friends. We outside in public, baby. Please pull up your prints. If they say it's
bro, this nigga done switched up the flow, and it's all type of flows that Drake would do, bro. This is crazy. Yo, what y'all think about this, bro? And what does that mean for music? Huh? Let me know what y'all think in the comment section. What does that mean for music, yo? You feel me? If you can just come up with an AI, just sound like one of the best rappers in the world. That's crazy.
Something we ain't even shaking hands. Pull up with a beef and now they wanna change the plans. Reason why they running, cause we shooting at they mans, yeah. Hey, and it's all part of the plan. Why she keep on calling? Cause she know I'm high demand. So in love with me, I got her on command. She sucked me inside the coop. I say, and I'm your biggest fan.
Ooh, that's crazy, bro. That's crazy. I wonder how Drake feels about this, bro. I wonder how Drake's feeling. That's crazy.
Up whenever I land, I made it to the top, so you can see I'm living grand. I'm in Cali with some bitches on the beach, we bring a sand. Keep that 30 on the seat and shoot like Curry with the left hand. Yeah, ballin' so damn hot, I made a death jam.
Come on, man, come on.
Yeah, rollie all the mother right and left hand. Yeah, she don't play a role and she gon' get banged. Yeah. When it's cold, where I'm from, yeah, I got enemies, okay, the winter's cold. Where I'm from, they try enemy, I swear the winter's cold. Where I'm from, they try to sentence me, okay, the winter's cold. Where I'm from, we had them 10 key, I swear that pussy told on us, not that nigga dead to me, I got
pussy told on us, not that nigga dead.
I did on my own, I ain't had no one to fend for me, I never saw my soul, I will never let it get to me. In Cali with
copied Aubrey, nigga. They done copied Aubrey, that nigga Drake. Boy, that's crazy. Yo, this AI sliding. This AI is sliding, and he's on beats that Drake would be on, bro. That's crazy. That's crazy to me. What does this mean for music, yo? That's crazy. Yo, people, what y'all think about this one, bro? I can't even finish that. What y'all think about this one, bro? This is crazy. You feel me? What does that mean for music? Like, if you can just make an AI that's someone like one of the best rappers out right now, what does that mean? Do I need to make my own AI? You know what I'm saying? Become a rapper, artist out there making hit songs. This is crazy. This AI Drake. This sounds just like Drake. It's using lyrics just like Drake. It's on beats that Drake would be on, making references that Drake would make. Like, this is crazy. It's like, nah, this gotta be a leak or something, people. Let me know in the comment section. Is this real? Is this an AI? Is this a Drake leak? Or what? You know what I'm saying? Because if it's like somebody chopped and, you know, mixed this, is like crazy. It's like too smooth for somebody like take the existing lyrics and like chop it up and mix it. And it's too smooth. So it's either really an AI or this is the leak song from Drake himself, right? Well, this is crazy. You know what I'm saying? This is. But let me know what y'all think in the comment section, guys. You definitely go and drop the comment section. Let me know what your favorite part, what you think about this whole scenario, this AI scenario, what you need to think about the future of computers and technology as a whole. You know what I'm saying? Definitely let me know what you want me to react to next, and I'll get it done. You already know what time it is. Your boy Jambisco. I was here and I hit and smashing out. Banger. Till next time, guys. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. And I'm out.